You're welcome back now. It may be 5,000 years old, but cupping is one alternative therapy that's still going strong. I visited the Acuwell Acupuncture and Chinese Medicine Clinic in Dublin to find out more. Griffin has been coming to holistic therapist Maher for the past year for treatment for lower back pain.
I sit at the office quite a lot, or on an office chair, and I was getting bad posture, and I was getting stress pains on my back, on my lower back, and some on my upper. So I tried Maher out, and I found it really relieves it quite a lot. So I go every maybe 2 weeks, sometimes once a week. And I find it really good for me.
It's a combination of therapies that you get. It's not just the cupping, right?
Yeah, I get the acupuncture itself and massage. She does tween massage, and I find that fabulous as well.
Maria became a therapist after she was diagnosed with a malignant brain tumour several years ago. Holistic therapy helped her with her recovery, and cupping is now one of the remedies she offers.
It's a strange looking.
It does look strange, doesn't
treatment,
it? Particularly when you see the marks and as well.
Yeah, but it's 3,000 years old, isn't it?
It is, at least, yes, at least that. It was used in ancient China as a folk medicine in villages. And it later became part of the healthcare system known as traditional Chinese medicine, which incorporates acupuncture and tween massage and cupping and moxibustion and different heat therapies as well.
Who is this treatment good for?
It's good for anyone who has tension in their shoulders or lower back. It's good for anybody who has respiratory problems, sinus or asthma or bronchitis even. It really relaxes those areas, and if somebody has pain as well, it can relieve the pain.
Okay, why? Because it's circulating the blood, is it?
It is.
Around the body, and
sometimes if we're stressed or there's injury, it means that the flow of our blood and our qi, which is our vital energy, and fluids or lymph becomes blocked or stagnated in terms of Chinese medicine. So the cupping then gets rid of that stagnation, relieves it, and helps the muscles to feel more relaxed and get the circulation going again.
Okay, there's different types of cupping that can be done. Like, I think there's wet cupping and dry cupping and fire cupping.
That's right.
Now you've done the fire
cupping
today.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. How does it work? What's the process?
Well, what happens is, as you saw, I heat the cups, and the flame creates heat inside the cup, and then when that heat is placed on the skin or the area affected, the lip of the cup creates a seal, and the air cools inside, and that creates a suction, like a vacuum. And it's become very popular as well. I think you mentioned when you were speaking to Caroline about Gwyneth Paltrow, for example. She went to the New York film premiere with the marks in her back. The marks, incidentally, are perfectly normal. They don't hurt the patient at all. So the discoloration is normal. It's just the stagnation coming to the surface.
Okay, they last a couple of days, do they?
They do. Yeah. A few days to even a week.
And how long will the benefits of the treatment last?
That depends on the person.
Yeah.
Like acupuncture, it depends how their body responds to it. But generally, my patients tell me that they feel better for a few days anyway, if not a week.
Well, it looks interesting. Caroline, you're still alive down there, are you? Yeah. Any pain or anything?
No, very relaxed.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, if you could only see what we could see up here, I mean, it looks like a form of torture.
You don't want to know.
Okay. Well, Marie, thank you so much for showing us and telling us about it today. And
take them off.
Put the poor woman out for, well, I would say misery, except she's actually enjoying it.
Look at that. That will come down a bit. See, there was definitely more stagnation on this side, as you can see from the marks.
So what do you mean by that?
That's where the circulation, there was more pain on this area, and pain in Chinese medicine is seen as blood stagnation.
Okay.
So, I mean, here there wasn't as much pain as we can see, because it's just a mild bit of a red circle there. So but there was a definite irritation or pain here.
Well, now the Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas is the